Hello, everyone! I often get asked about bicubic and bilinear interpolation. To understand this, I'll insert an image with a texture and duplicate it. Now let's see what this is all about. When we click on Transform, we have the interpolation method setting. When I open it, I see the options bicubic, bilinear, and nearest neighbor. If explained in technical terms, it's about how the image changes and how the pixel colors are adjusted. The program adapts the image accordingly. In the nearest neighbor option, it considers the closest pixels. In the bilinear option, it considers two adjacent pixels. In the bicubic option, it averages the values from an area of 4 pixels. This theory can be hard to understand, so let's look at it in practice. I'll select Nearest Neighbor Interpolation, select a shape, and distort it. Look at what happens to its edge. It's sharp. Next, I'll use bilinear interpolation and distort the second shape. Look at the edge, it's smoother. Now I'll select bicubic interpolation and distort the third shape. This is the highest quality method, similar to how we distort textures in perspective. Look at the results. The edge is the smoothest, and the texture is the smoothest. Comparing all 3 distortions shows this clearly. I'll show another example. I'll reduce the size of a shape, as if we minimized an image and then tried to restore its quality by enlarging it. This results in a lot of pixelation. Selecting bilinear, reducing, and enlarging the shape shows an improvement in quality. We can compare them. Doing the same with the third shape using bicubic interpolation. Reducing and enlarging it shows even better quality. Although slightly blurry, it still retains the details. From this, I conclude that it's best to always use the bicubic interpolation method for transformations. It helps to preserve the image quality as much as possible during transformations.